Here, let's talk about limits of a function. Limits of a function. This is the third type of functional function. I'm going to show you the second type. Already, we've done that already. You get now limits of a function. Before I enter into calculation, I want to show you something. We'll have something like this. Eh? Something like this is zero, right? Now, when we have when we have lim 4s minus 2 over s minus 2, s approaching 2, and this is equals to 2 here, that is 4 times 2, 8. 8 minus 2 will give us 6. 2 minus 2, 0, right? Okay, let's use 8 here. Let's use 8 here. 8 times 2, 16. 16 minus 2, 14. S minus 2, 0. 2 minus 2 give us 0, right? And this equals to 0. Good. Whether we use 8 or 4, it will also give us equals to 0. When we solve a limit of a function and we obtain this, it shows that the function was not sufficiently reduced. Now, the number obtained shows that the function was not sufficiently what? Reduced. That is when we have something like this to infinity, and that is 0. It was not what? Sufficiently what? Reduced. And what does this x arrow 2 implies? When you see x arrow 2, this means s approaching 2. Now let me use this question as a case study here. It also means that anywhere you find x, you call it 2 minus 2 all over 2 minus 2 as s approaching 2. So this will give you 16 minus 2 over 2 minus 2 will give us what? 0. This will give you 16 minus 2 will give us 14. 14 over 0 will give us what? 0. Did you understand? Now, without much spoken English and without wasting much of your time, I want you to understand that limit of a function is very simple. Now, let me give you another question. For instance, when they say evaluate lim x square minus 4 over s minus 2 and s approaching 2. How do you solve this? If you have something like this, how do you solve this? It's very simple. First of all, solution. One thing I wanted to know is this, that this x square minus 4 means x minus 2 all square over s minus 2. You get? And this also means this thing means bracket s minus 2 bracket s plus 2. So this thing means difference of two square. Difference of two square. Did you understand now? Difference of two square. So what do you think that will happen here? I have s minus 2 here. I have s plus 2. I have s minus 2 here. What do you think that will happen here? This will cancel out. So here we're going to have something like this. Lim. You just have s plus 2. So since s is approaching 2, it's going to be what? Anywhere you see s, you call it what? 2 plus 2. And the answer becomes what? 4. Final answer. So if I should evaluate this, my answer will be what? 4. Did you understand that? So I believe you understood this particular subtopic under function of function. Thanks for watching.